Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Wednesday, guys. It's Wednesday. And you know what, guys? I have some very good news for us, for everyone, guys. If you still remember, last week I was actually saying, guys, let's subscribe. We are very closer to that 6,000. Guys, we just reached that, and you know what? I really appreciate that. This is still a very small number compared to other content creators. But you know what? It's one step at a time. One step at a time. There are so many people who actually want to reach these numbers. And you know what? Sometimes we take this for granted. And I know, guys, you know what? This is our price. You can see this is our normal prices, right? But for this, I start to realize that, you know what? There's people out there who actually support me every day. I understand that maybe they want to join the team, and sometimes we change them very quick because we have some limited number. But now I will say, guys, join the team. You know what? Today I will use this number for the whole month. 21, you can see 6,021. So we're gonna use this 21. And you can join our team actually for only $21. It's a lifetime. And just to make things very nice, there's people who want maybe trading system, a system indicator. You can also get that for $21. You also want the robot. Get that for only $21. Why? Because you are the one who matters most, guys. So if you, unfortunately, I can just get that for free. But yes, you know what? Everyone for the whole month, there's no limit. I can't say 21 people. No, only $20 this week. This month we joined for only $20. Only $21. So I hope you saw that. But people, they might not really understand, because our normal prices, guys, is this one. You see that lifetime is actually $250. So which means you actually, like, I don't know how much you're saving. You can do the math. You see. So yeah, that is actually my appreciation. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate. And as you see, I'm always here early in the morning. I make sure that I do this analysis for you. And yeah, that's great. And I'm still here to share enough information with you. So what happened yesterday? The dollar, like yesterday, it was like seriously crazy strong yesterday. And you know what? We took some losses. And when I check, this week seems like things were not really good on us. It seems like things were not actually good on us. But you know what? That is part of the game. We're still going to make it. So today is Thursday. Today I'm going to go on Trader Nick's channel. I will check the time. I will be on Trader Nick channel. But what do we have here? It seems like we're going to go on a live session very early. So let's see, because we have Great British Pound interest rates. You see that? I don't know if you know about them, but they actually move very nice, and it's around 1 p.m. It's very early on our side. So 25 past 8, which means I will be on a live session around 25 past 2 on our time. So it means I will just go actually early, or maybe they want to check unemployment claims. So we'll be on Trader Nick channel. But on my side, I think I will be going live early, guys. For us, we also have to check this news. I will go like maybe around before that time, so that we can check this economic news. Maybe we can get something from that. It's interest rates. So after that, it's 1 o'clock, interest rates. After that, 30 minutes later, they actually going to speak. They're going to speak about this interest rates, why they increase or decrease, whatever they're going to release. It's up to them. So around 2:30, we have unemployment claims. This is going to move very nice. We will check that also. We have service PMI around 4. Okay. So on Friday, it's when we're going to have, today's Thursday, so tomorrow we're going to have NFP, unemployment change for Canada, and also for USD, or for the dollar, or for the US. So what's really happening here is, again, before we reach here, don't forget that NASDAQ, US30, S&P 500, there is earnings. There are earnings for Amazon and Apple. So if they are positive, we will see a NASDAQ pushing to the upside. If not, we will see it selling. As we saw it, it was pushing lower, right? So let's go to the chart. So I will just use 4 hours time frame. What time is it? Oh, it's 5 minutes. I did not take much of the time. Guys, join if you want the robot, $21. If you want the system indicator, $21, just to celebrate this. This means a lot to me. I don't really feel that much, but I know that slowly I'm creating something. One day we're going to have different segments. It's not going to be me alone, so I'm going to add other people along the way. So they're going to do whatever they are good at. So I'm still searching for those people. So what's really happening here is we are on Euro USD. Euro USD is actually on a very nice, it was on a very nice uptrend. It was pushing very nice. It was pushing very nice to the uptrend, and when we check there, we see that the market was struggling actually to push the upside. But guess what? The market actually is now pushing lower as the dollar is getting stronger. So we were witnessing that yesterday. We had a nice buy of NASDAQ. We ended up taking a loss there. So here we saw that the market here was actually playing around this support area. There was a very nice support area. Guess what? The market actually tried to push up, but it was struggling. Later on, it's where we saw a breakout. This is a very nice breakout. I think we can still actually have a very nice entry here. We're going to have a very nice entry. So I will be sending this pending order after I'm done with this analysis. So I'm looking for a very nice down trend. I think the market will continue pushing lower. Things might change because later on around 2:30 there is jobless claims or unemployment claims. If it's going to be negative, or let's say the number is gonna go higher, it means the euros it might actually recover and start to push the upside. This is the problem when we trade when we have like unlimited or so many economic news. It's difficult because the market will change very quick, and when you check the technical, the market just broke out. Just because of the news, things might be positive or negative, then the market will be going up again. So that's why I say mostly when we expect the news, let's just relax. Let's not really trade that much, because they just happen. Mostly they happen the first week and mostly the last week. That's where we don't really trade very nice. But in general, it's better to wait for the market to do its thing. But I'm still bearish. The structure is telling me that we see the breakout. We broke out of that support, horizontal support, and we also have a diagonal support which is broken. So I'm thinking about doing what? Selling. Then I will be coming back and sending that in the group. Now you have the chance to join the group. It's $21. You can't complain. If you can afford that $21, then you have a serious problem. You have a serious problem. So, but yes, you can join actually. So what's really happening on gold? Gold in general is actually still on a very nice bullish momentum. It's actually on a very nice bullish momentum. But what we see here is we can easily see that the market on a daily time frame. I'm trying to show you this on a daily time frame, guys. I think I'll upgrade my system. It's maybe in 3 months time. I think my screen is like 1080p. So if I zoom things like a bit smaller, on your side, the candlesticks, they get too smaller because the resolution, I think, is 1080, not 1080p. Yeah, it's 1080p. So I think we need 2K or 4K. This will be seriously back. I don't know if you understand that. This zoom will be a bit smaller, but the candlesticks will be nice and visible. I think we need to upgrade that. So what's really happening here is the market is actually on a very nice uptrend, right? So I'm expecting the market to do what? To keep pushing to the upside. So, but the market has to touch maybe our support area before we just go full on that bullish momentum. But since we have economic news, our technical won't matter much. if we just do the technical, it won't really matter much because we don't really know what will happen. So if it's negative or positive, we will just see the market jumping. So it's better for us to wait for that. It's better for us to wait for the release. Unemployment claims today, later actually in the evening. Then we will say, okay, we see that things are positive or negative. Then we can jump on the market. So what I see here is we have a very nice structure. The market created this support, which the market broke out yesterday. And to me, I think the market is trying to retest before going lower. If it goes lower, I'm expecting it to reach this area, maybe 920 there, 1920, before maybe we see a push. That's what I'm expecting. You see, I'm expecting it to push the lower side. And this support actually, or this resistance, now resistant, it's a bit longer. If we push it back, you will see that it still makes sense from previous areas. If we push it, you will still remember that we had this area. It doesn't really have to be perfect, but you will see that area is where the market was actually respecting before. Do you see that area? And the market is actually there. So which means the market can retest here, push lower before here we might see the market pushing up again, or maybe we will see a breakout of this support, but it's a very stronger support, and then maybe they will see the market pushing lower. But what matters most is NFP tomorrow. Later today, it's what? It's unemployment claims, which I have shown you there. Let me remind you again. Maybe you will see that. You can see here we have 2:30 unemployment claims. This moves actually on gold. It get crazy, and it's actually every week. Around 4 PMI also. Not really aggressive, but unemployment claims, it's seriously aggressive. And then tomorrow we also have something. So it means like today it's going to be way much difficult to trade gold. It's better to wait for the news. But sometimes when you wait for the news on platforms like Forex Factory, they are very slow to release. If you want like within seconds, you get your news, you can use data flash. They will just tell you, update you like within split seconds, then you can able to buy or sell before the market even start to move. If you want to subscribe to that, you can go there, but even the free one still works very nice. But the one that it's paid, it works very nice, guys. You can go on the calendar, it will tell you when it's few seconds, then very quick it will tell you 10 seconds left, 5 seconds left. Then you can even tell it whether it should say buy or sell. Yes, it will tell you buy or sell. Maybe I think I have a video for this or something. Then it will tell you buy or sell, something like that. Or maybe I will just, at the end of this video, let me just complete the analysis so that I will show you the example, right? So on gold, if you want to do that, maybe you can just get the result very quick, then you can buy or sell. But here I think maybe we have a very nice resistance, then the market might retest before pushing to the upside. So let's push to the next one. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, guys. Let's go. What's really happening here? I think even on US30 we will be continuing on a sell. I think we're gonna take that sell. It seems like the market will be going up to this point before we see the market push up. But the problem is later on we're going to have earnings which might change things. But for now, the market is telling us to sell. So I think we will be jumping on that sell, especially on US30. US30 is quite different from NASDAQ, so it might not really react that much, especially on the release. But since April, it's actually inside. It's also on working on inside a basket, yeah, US30. Then things might actually go crazy also, you see. So, but what do we see here? The market is actually on a very nice uptrend. But where we are now, we had a very nice structure. It's a support. It seems like the market is breaking out. I'm expecting if it breaks out like that, obviously the market will try to push even lower before pushes to the upside. So let's push to the next one. I think maybe it's quite straightforward. Let's go on NASDAQ. So on NASDAQ is also straightforward. Yesterday, yes, the things were just pushing up very nice until we saw the breakout whoever who sold, actually, yes, they did actually get it right, and it seems like they are smashing. They did have actually very nice trades. But what do we see here is we see the breakouts now. They're making sense. I'm expecting to see the market continuing pushing lower. Maybe later on things they will change, but for now the market just broke out, and I think it's quite clear that maybe the market will just continue. Where will this market land actually? Let's go on a daily time frame. Let's go on a daily time frame. Where can this thing actually stop? I see a nice resistance here. This is daily time frame. I don't know if maybe the market will. Hey, I don't know. I don't know if the market will stop there or not. I don't know if. Yeah, let me just zoom a little bit, because we have an area here. It was a resistance before, so it might be the support. Then the market might push up, or, and it's the third thing is very close, or maybe we might see the market going lower. If it goes lower, hey, it means maybe the market will be going around like 14,700 there, maybe before we see another push. But we will see. They will see. So yeah, something like that. So I said, for now, yes, we are bearish on NASDAQ. We are bearish as the market broke out. So I'm expecting just to go and give my people a very nice sell in there, but this resistance is very close, and it seems like the market is trying to bounce back around that. And on US30, I think it's much better. We don't actually have a solid support there. I think we can take US30 instead of NASDAQ, and we can just leave it like that. So as I said, actually I wanted to show you data flash, how it works. Let me just make it quick. Let me just, before we complete, guys, don't forget that you can join the team for $21. Whether you want the robot, $21. If you want the system indicator, $21. If you want the robot, $21. Everything's $21 for the whole month as an appreciation. So let me show you how these things work very quick. Let me see. How do we go on that website? Forgot, you guys. Come on. I forgot, guys. I wanted to go on this. You can, oh, sorry. Yeah, I think maybe, yeah, you see, now we're talking. So now you can actually see that it will tell you whether buy or sell if the actual is greater or less. So it will tell you buy or sell. So I wanted to get the, I wanted to get that sound so that you can hear that. Unfortunately, I can't type here. Okay. Let's say it's 100. What the enter the triggered number. It doesn't want to enter anything. Anyways, I just wanted to say you. So this thing, it will tell you actually within few seconds whether buy, sell, if the actual is. But I think I will have to show you. I wanted to go on the website so that you can hear that. There is an example. Alright, man, let's do it. If maybe you are in a hurry, it's fine. You can just pause here and just do your own thing. So I will be going on data flash just to for my people to understand what I'm trying to say. There is people who are always in a hurry, obviously, but we are not in a hurry. We invested so much. Come on, man. We want the website, not this. Is this the same thing? Okay. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to have the example. They say sound interesting. Figure display the wickets. Alliance demo wickets. Enjoy. Kawaii, it's you, man. They used to have this example of buying or selling. Or let me just use a 4-hour time frame. Sorry, not 4 hour. Working a YouTube. Let me go on YouTube. For those who, if maybe you are in hurry, guys, yeah, you can just continue and do your own thing. So I just want to show how data flash works. Data flash news. Example. Too much information, unnecessary information. We will get it, guys. Okay, I see the other one here. I will try to turn off the sound. I just want to hear it first.
Blocked nose causing problems? Use Vicks Inhaler to get fast relief from a blocked nose. Vicks Inhaler, fast relief from a blocked nose anytime, anywhere.
Come on. I think I also did before share this thing before.
That I'm using in detail.
Yeah, you see.
Trade, deviation calculator. We're going to get to all of that in a second. First of all,
yeah, you see, this thing is just disappointing me now.
got another good tool for you here. It's called the deviation.
I wanted to, but I will show you guys. I wanted to show you this, but it's just disappointing me now. I don't even see any video of this thing, but it will tell you whether to buy or to sell very, 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 very quick. And when you check, sometimes even the news, they did not actually even move that much, but I saw it here. But it's fine. I was trying. Oh, I see something here, but it will just take our time. It's fine, guys. I will just try to show you something else later on, maybe, or I will just prepare a video for that. Then, yeah, thank you very much. This is Xtrahot Forex. Bye bye.